Hey there, thanks for coming to check out needworking.com. My name is Dave, and I'm here to walk you through how to sign up for Needworking. So you've come to our homepage. This is the needworking.com website. So our site is based on Maslow's hierarchy of needs, the law of reciprocity, and giving back. It's a little bit different from other social platforms where we try to include everyone based off of what they're looking for. We'll be able to walk you through some of the different features later on, but this one's really just about signing up and how to get started with Needworking. So there's a little get started button, but you can always scroll down and see exactly what Needworking is all about and what we talked through. And then you can request to join, or you can sign up, but I'm going to actually go back here to get started. And here is where you can request to join Needworking. You put an email address in. Let's say we choose that one and you agree with the terms and conditions. Definitely read the terms and conditions prior to signing up. But when you do that, you say, hit me, send me an invite code. Oh, we already have received a request from you. So if you see this message, then that means you have already tried to sign up previously with an email address, and it could be your invite code might be sitting in a spam filter. So just double check that and make sure that that's taken care of. Otherwise, you go in and let's say you put David at example.com and you, actually, I'm going to put Dave and you send the invite code and your request has been sent. So now what will happen is you'll get an email that has a password in it. So use that password. And if you have any problems, we have a little need help button right there. So just fill that out. And you want to go to your sign in. I am already in the system, but if you're not in the system yet and you don't have a sign in, you want to go to register here if you don't have that account yet. And you'll see you sign up via email address. You put your last name in, email, create your passwords, confirm your passwords, and then use your invite code. So that invite code, more than likely, it'll probably be this. And you put that into the system, agree with the terms, and then you sign up. And then it'll walk you through the process on getting started. That's the beginning part of just really logging in. I'm going to walk you through some other pieces later on about setting up your profile. But we appreciate you stopping by and checking out Needworking.